For us to install Jenkins, first of all, goes to this URL. I will provide this URL in comment section or description below. Okay, so first go to this link URL, then scroll down. Then here we are downloading Jenkins for Windows, so we'll be simply clicking on this. After clicking on this Windows, it will download. So but I have already downloaded, so I won't be clicking on this link. So here we have got our Jenkins. So now click on this, then next. Then you can choose the location where you want to install Jenkins. I will be installing it in the E drive. So in your case, it may be in C drive program files. Okay, so I will be choosing this E drive. Okay, I will be installing Jenkins in E drive. So click on next. Then for now we will be running as local system, and then later on we will change our use we will add our user. Okay, so for now we'll run service as local system. Then next, then here you have got port number is 8080, so leave it as it is. Then test this port, it says it is available, right? So next, now we have to provide the path where our Java is installed. So we will choose the path where our Java is installed. Okay, so inside program file there is Java, and inside Java we have got JDK 21. What it does is it only support 11, 17 and 21, so you have to install 11, 17 and 20. Okay, in Java. So here I have got 21, so I selected that. Now click on next. Now again we will click on next, then install. Okay, so this dialog we will simply click yes. Okay, now so our Jenkins is installed finished. So you can see here in our Jenkins folder there is Jenkins installed. So now open our browser, then type localhost 80. Okay, then after that you can see that our Jenkins is installed, right? And it says we can find our admin initial admin password in this location. So we'll be going to that location. So we'll copy this and then go here, then we will click on this, paste our link. Okay, here. So it will take a while. So if you have this take a too long time, then you can simply go to your C drive. Then you can go to program data. If it doesn't show, then you can simply go to view and show. Then this click on this hidden item. Okay, then you will see program data. Go over there. Then here you can see Jenkins, and inside Jenkins again there is secrets. And here you can see initial admin password. So you have to open this. So let's open with um let's open with notepad. Okay, so here you have got password, so we will be copying this password and then we will paste it in our this place. Okay, then continue. Okay, now we have got two options. First is install suggested plugin, and second is select plugins to install. So we'll click on this install suggested plugins. Okay, now it will install all these things. So it will take a while, we have to wait for it to complete. It will install all those things we can see here. So it is going to take some times. So now all the things are installed, right? So it will, okay. So now after completing that step, we can see this space. So here we have to set our name, username. Okay, so we'll set our username, and according to that we will also set our password. So okay. Okay, so now we will again enter our full name, then we'll click on save and continue, or you can just skip and continue as admin. You can do this as well, but we set our username and password. Okay, then click on save and continue. Oh, sorry, I forgot email. So now we have inserted our email also. Now save and continue. Then here, this is our Jenkins URL. So save and finish. So now click on start using Jenkins. Okay. Okay, so now you can see our Jenkins here, and here you can see the username that we had set. So that's how we will install Jenkins in our system. So now here we can also create jobs and set up agents, right? We can perform various things. We will discuss about that in our next video. So that's it for the video. Have a good day. Bye bye.